In this video, we will review the steps necessary to perform the lab reading a CSV file. First of all, what is the purpose of the lab? This lab demonstrates how to open and read a CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values. The CSV file is a primitive form of spreadsheet. In the lab, we will also build a model class which will return a list of products and titles. We first need to copy the files from the working files folder for this chapter. We first need to copy the file files_project_products.csv. This will be copied into the htdocs Suites Complete model folder under the name products.csv. We then need to create a file products.php which will be under htdocs Suites Complete model. In this file, we will create a series of functions which are used to retrieve information about products. Inside the file, we will set up a class with the name products. Inside the class, we will define three functions: getProducts, getTitles, and _construct. Inside this class, we will also define a public variable $products. This will be at the very top of the file, and we use the keyword public to indicate the fact that the variable will be accessible from outside of the class. In the _construct function, which is called after the object class is converted into a variable, we need to use the fopen command to open up the file products.csv. We will use a while loop to read through to the end of the file. Inside the while loop, we will use the fgetcsv command to read one line at a time into an array $row. We then need to convert the array from a numeric array into an associative array. This can be done by using a for each loop. Using a for each loop, we will convert the numeric array, which comes back from fgetcsv, into an associative array where the keys represent the aspects of a product, including product ID, title, description, and that sort of thing. This associative array will then be added to the public array, this products. We will then define two different functions. One is called getProducts, which just simply returns the array products. The second one is getTitles, which returns only the product titles in an array which we will call titles. Finally, we need to modify the products.php file, which is in the Suites Complete folder. In this file, we will include the model products. We will create a variable which represents the products class. We can then delete the two arrays, $titles and $products, as they have now been replaced. At the top of the file, we will also add a line where we retrieve the titles from the products class using getTitles. We will then define maxProducts as a count of the titles. And finally, when we do the function call displayProducts, inside the function call, instead of directly supplying an array $products, we will supply the return value from getProducts, which comes from the products class. This concludes the instructions for the lab reading a CSV file.